Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your last name in the Telegram app on your PC with the latest update. Whether you're updating personal details or just want to make a small change to how your profile looks, this process only takes a minute. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in so that you can access your profile. Once the app is open, look towards the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. Click on it, and a side menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled My Profile. This is where all your main account details are kept, including your photo, username, and the name that shows up when you chat with others. Once you're on your profile page, you'll notice a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on that. Now that you're in edit mode, you'll see different fields you can change. Look for the one that says Name. This section will have both your first name and your last name. Simply click into the last name field, delete or adjust what's currently there, and then type in the new last name you'd like to use. After you've entered your new last name, all that's left to do is save your changes. At the top or bottom of the screen, you'll see an option to save. Click on it, and your new last name will be updated instantly across Telegram. Anyone who has you in their contacts will now see the updated version of your name. And that's really all there is to it. Open the app, click the three lines, go to My Profile, select the edit icon, update your last name, and don't forget to save. A quick process that keeps your information personalized and up to date. If you found this guide useful, take a moment to try it out for yourself. It's simple, straightforward, and makes managing your Telegram account much easier.